In this video, I'm gonna show you Sonic the Hedgehog characters in real life. Take your time and enjoy it. Let's start with Tails the Fox. What do you think about this cosplay? Amy Rose in real life. Her costume is awesome. Another version of Amy Rose. Which one do you prefer? The next character is Shadow. Not only possessing a confident charisma, Shadow also has incredible powers. Here Sonic is. He looks so cool in the human version. He's the character that I admire the most. He's always ready to face challenges, even the most terrible ones. How about Super Sonic? Just like Rouge, this girl excels a super charming beauty. Real-life Eggman looks so funny. Silver as human, how many points can you rate? And the last character is Knuckles. So impressive, right? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel.